Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage the location of this device. First of all, access tab menu. Now you need to look for a location icon, and when you find it, click on it. If you can't find it over here, you need to tap on this icon with a paper and a pen, I guess, at the top right corner, and look for it over here. Then click on this little plus icon in order to add it, and tap on done at the top right corner to save your changes. I have my icon here though, so I can click on it right away and tap on close in the pop-up. Now when I go back, as you can see, location of my XIAOMI is off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same shortcut. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well, look for location section here and click on it. Then manage location by tapping on this switcher next to location access. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!